Hi everyone, this is Natalie from Simply Natalie. Welcome to my channel, and in this episode we are making oven roasted ham glazed with honey. Sweet, irresistible and delicious. I can't wait to share with you, so let's get started. So here I have a ham. I purchased this from Costco, and we're gonna roast this as is. I'm not gonna add any seasoning or anything. So we're gonna place this in the oven and roast this about for 30 minutes or so in 400-degree oven. So the ham been in the oven about for 30 minutes, and looks like it needs to be for 10 more minutes. So about like that, that's what I'm looking for. Now I can sprinkle with the honey all over the ham. I want to make sure a ham absorb all the honey. So we're gonna squeeze as much as we need all over the ham, just like that. Make sure put some inside all over the ham, just like that. Looks good. So make sure put inside, don't forget that. And we're gonna leave this about for 30 minutes in the oven for 100 degrees. Looks good already, but I'm gonna sprinkle with honey one more time all over the ham, a little bit less than I used to. I did it in the first place. And we're gonna leave in the oven about for approximately about for 10-15 more minutes, so the ham absorb more, even more honey. It's gonna be so juicy and delicious. My house smells so delicious. Oh wow, this looks so good and tastes even better, I promise you. So all you need a ham and the honey. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment below, and I hope everyone have amazing holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. May God bless everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.